Good PM. Ngayon po ay Friday, March 15, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, March 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 15, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Friday, March 15, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 15 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for March 15, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Friday, March 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.